Nung araw, kay tamis ng ating buhay, puno ng saya at ng kulay, di mauulit muli. Ang oras kapag hinayaang lumipas, madarama mo hanggang bukas, di mababawi muli. Ang dami-daming bagay na hindi naman kailangan, kung pwede lang bawasan natin ang mga tampuhan. Hindi mo lang alam, hindi mo ba nararanasan? Kahapon sana natin di mo na pinahirapan. Patawad muli, di mababawi muli. Patawad muli, di na muli, binawi buhay mo nang walang sabi. Binubulong ko sa sarili, mahal kita hanggang sa huli.
If you live with regret, then you take time for granted. If you do not take time for granted, then you will not live with regret. If you do not live with regret, then you do not take time for granted.
Time is a gift we often take for granted, but once it slips away, we can never take it back. We always think there's more time, more chances to be together, to say what we feel, to make memories. But time doesn't wait. One day, before we realize it, it's already too late. Now, all that's left are memories and regrets. Di na muli, dahil ang kahapon ay isang pintuang isinara na.